At the top of your form is where the name of your form will go. In the upper left-hand corner is the name of the actual file that you will see in your Google Drive and in your Google Forms homepage. Once I've given the form a name, I'll then click here. It will place the same name of the file as that of the form. If I want to change it, I can always type something in different or click on it later to make it active and add some additional changes to the file name later. For form description, this is where I would give some specific instructions or tell what the form is about. This is a training form. And as you can see at the top, all changes are saved automatically in your Google Drive. So as you type, you never have to worry about you losing the information that you've typed into a Google form.